Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda CX-5 rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and any basic tools you might need, like a small flathead screwdriver if your specific model requires it. Ensure the new blade is the correct size and type for your vehicle to guarantee a perfect fit and optimal performance. Also, consider placing a towel on your rear window to protect the paint from accidental scratches during the process. This simple preparation makes the whole task much smoother. Now let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright. Some models may have a small cap at the base of the arm that needs to be removed first to allow it to lift fully. Next, locate the release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press or slide this mechanism, then rotate the blade to detach it. Once released, slide the old wiper blade off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook or connector on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, ensuring it clicks securely into place. You should feel it lock, indicating a proper connection. Once the new blade is firmly attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Once the new blade is installed, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your rear wiper to ensure it moves smoothly across the window and clears water effectively without streaking. Regularly inspecting your wiper blades for cracks or tears will help you maintain clear visibility and safety on the road. Replacing them promptly when needed is a small but important part of vehicle maintenance. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other helpful resources. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.